Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, samahan ako. Pakita ko sa inyo yung bahay ng parents ko sa Longboy, Maguindanao del Norte, Mindanao, Philippines. Okay, see you later.
Welcome to our house. Yeah, I know it's a big place, right? Yep. So let's get around. Hi, Ma.
Hi.
Nag-iikot mo na kami daw. Some baby chicks here. Full of nature, huh? And almost there. Yep, we're here. And we're back. And that concludes the round tour of the house. See ya.
Guys, that's it for my vlog for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye. God bless.